Hi, everybody. I'm Allie.
Hi, everybody. I'm Hannah.
And Hannah is going to join me today to go over some new amazing products that are at Potomac Beads ready to ship to you from our warehouse floor. And our head of fulfillment, Hannah, here is going to help me guide you along making some gift selections for this holiday season. So the first thing that is new to the warehouse is super exciting is new fabrics of bead on it boards. So tell us what we've got.
So right here we got Forever Friends, and then
And how is it spelled?
it is spelled F-U-R like fur.
Because it has cats and dogs. So you don't
Yeah.
have to pick which one you like. You can like dogs, you can like cats. Before we've had like cat and dog boards
Right,
and you had to
right.
choose. These are your Forever Friends. So, and if you're referencing what size is there, this is the 6x6 board. So you can see kind of where my hand is. So Forever Friends, 6x6. What's next, Vanna?
And then we got the Holly board.
And this one is the 8x11. Again, available in all the sizes.
Yep.
So I like that. It is Christmassy, kind of.
Yeah, but you can use it any time of the year.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's almost monochromatic that it has
Right.
a lot of that green color that pops to red. I think it's fun and it doesn't look super holiday, which is why we selected it. So that way it's not like, hey, this is my Christmas board.
Right, right.
No, it's just your seasonal board.
Totally, yeah.
Grab another seasonal board. And then we have
And then we have the Golden Geode. I believe this is 8x11.
8x11. Good job. Yep. So, or sorry, 8x14.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This one
Yep.
was your 8x11.
Yep.
So in case you want to see, like I have big hands, but there's
Yeah.
my surface area for that. Then this one's going to be your 8x14
Yes.
board from corner to corner. And they have about a 1/2 inch of bumper on each side. So if you want to know the surface area, it's listed. But if you just take about an inch off, that
Right.
gets you the surface area that it is. And then we also have them in the round, half round, or half moon. And what am I
11
forgetting?
by 17.
11x17
Yep,
and the
those are
big
the big
old,
old
the
ones.
big old boys.
Yep.
So 3 new bead on it board. Amanda is busy making them
Yes,
right
she
now
sure
as we
is.
speak. The Furry Friends, the Hot Forever Friends, Holly, and then Golden
Golden
Geode. I really like the Golden Geode.
Me too.
And so I think my favorite
like
board in a
it,
while.
yeah.
And it's really not distracting from
Oh,
your
totally,
beads in the different
yeah.
colors. You can pop on like a bright bracelet like I'm working
Right.
on there and you can see it. Fun, fun, fun. So these are your 3 new bead on it boards that just came to the warehouse. One of the next things that we're really excited for is more forms. So the forms that you see, you may have already purchased or seen the cascading boxes form that we've used in the directional earrings here. And you'll have an opportunity to basically make your own and see what you get. So we have some Christmas ornaments here that have the little top, so you could do a little beaded top.
Totally.
You could paint them with acrylic paint. You could bead around them. Kind of the sky's the limit for this. And they're individually and as a multi-pack, right?
Yep. Yep.
So you'll be able to get each one as an individual and multi-pack. And then the one below, what are these called?
These are called the Leaf Love Leaves.
Leaf Love Leaves. Okay.
A lot of
leaf-
L's.
A lot of L's in there. And you get a pendant and the earrings with it.
Yep.
So let's hold them up and show kind of what their size is. So there's going to be your size of your earring, pretty much the same lengthwise as a little bit shorter than the directional by the time you add them to it. And I like that you have the option to do the pendant and the earrings, or you can do 3 smaller pendants too that
totally,
you have
yeah.
in it. And show everybody kind of, these are great because they're sustainable, they're that nice wood, and then show the little secret about the back of them.
One of our little secrets is that they come with a protective coating. So whenever you would purchase these, you are able to take off this protective coating, and it shows.
Oh.
Oh, it's ripping a little bit.
Yep. Yeah, it might rip
These
a
are a
little bit.
little bit funky, but it make.
I like to show the different colors
Yeah,
of wood that you get.
Totally.
So you basically have a 2-sided design. So here's the front side, here's the back side with that lighter. So in my directional earrings, I have the lighter side forward on one, and I have the darker side forward on the other to make them look completely different. So we have the lighter side on one, darker side on the other. You can certainly keep that coating on it if you
Yeah.
want. It's not going to matter either way,
Right.
but just to know that that's there. So that way, if you get the 3-pack and you're like, hey, one of these or one side isn't correct, tear off that
Yep.
protective coating. I'm excited to see what everybody does with these. And I know there's
Yes.
a lot more forms that are coming to the warehouse as
Yep.
well too.
Very
So these
excited.
are our new wood forms and more are being produced. And if you have any questions or they want specific styles, comment below.
Yes.
Let us let us know and we'll pass it off to the production team and the artwork from our graphic artists, and they'll put some more things together.
So you may have seen already, but we are fulfilling your orders with these wish lists because it's approaching the holiday season. So you can go ahead and write down the product number and the product name on your wish list, and then if you scan this QR code,
Ready? I'll do it.
Yep.
Let's see if it works. I'm going to scan the QR code here with my phone.
you might have to press it down
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
or not.
And then I'm going to open up that QR code that I just pressed. And look, it takes me to Potomac Beads. So you can do, when the product number, when you're on our website right here, you can look in the search for the product number. So if I want to search for, let's do bead stoppers, 1444, and I go 1444 and search in there, I'm going to get my bead stoppers. Right there they are. 1444 bead stoppers. So if you want things for the holiday season, that gift that you're like, I don't know what to get this person.
Right,
They
right.
have everything. They do crafting. I don't want to get them a gift certificate. Hand these off to your friends. Hand them off to your significant other or your kids. You can even just put a gift certificate there. It'll take them right to the website. You can write down the product number, product name. And one thing you may want to wish for is our Advent calendar. So the Advent calendar is now here and ready to ship. And little spoiler alert, I don't want everybody to know, but basically the way that the Advent calendar works is that we're going to have fun going through, picking items out of each day, and you will scan a QR code just like the wish list that'll come with the calendar, and you will be making a project. There'll be 9 total projects in your Advent calendar over the course of the 25 days. You have that there. You can see they come with a little hanger. You can hang them up. And I don't want to spoil it, but you've got 9 projects and 9 techniques. Some of them you're making multiples of them as well. But in case you don't want to see any of the projects, here's where you want to stop our video. I'm going to show, Hannah and I are giving a little introduction and a little sneak peek at some of the projects that you may make inside the Advent calendar. You can also see ones that were made last year, but you are going to possibly get some decor. So this one's super fun. You just saw us notice we were talking about some of those forms. I'm not going to give you the name of it, but if you want to make a fun ornament, you might have something very similar or very close. And then also fun collection of beads that you can give as gifts. I love the idea that some of the projects will take you 1 day, some of them will take you 3 days,
Right.
but at the end of it, you legitimately have 11 or so gifts that
Totally.
you can give out for the holiday season. So when you're looking at the idea of grabbing the Advent calendar, which are now on the shelves and in stock on the warehouse floor, so you'll get it shipped out to you
Yep.
right away. You have the opportunity to learn new techniques. We should challenge everybody to kind
We
of
should.
to work along with and try to teach everybody on fulfillment and production some of these new beading techniques
Totally.
and making different samples and different little gifts for everyone for the holiday season. So with the holiday season fast approaching, Hannah has a lovely display of the bead on it boards that you can now purchase and are in our warehouse, as well as our Advent calendars. Check those out. Add them to your wish list. And Hannah will send that out to you along with her amazing team. And thanks, guys, so much for watching this little November new products to our warehouse and to the website. There's so many more that we don't have time to feature. So take a look at that What's New page that we linked to. If you want to check that out, you can go below the video. There's a little description. Once again, thank you, Hannah.
Yep, thank you, Allie. and
Thanks for
thank you,
joining
guys.
us, everybody. And we'll catch you next time on our What's New for December as that fast approaches as well. If you haven't yet, subscribe so you don't miss anything from us here at Potomac Beads. And that'll also get you to our website so Hannah can ship you out some orders.
Yes.
Thanks, everybody, and have a great rest of your day.